Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to use second space on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down again and find the option second space and tap. So now we've got the first step of the whole configuration process. So let's tap on turn on second space, and now your device is creating it and switching between two different spaces. So let's tap on continue. And here we can decide how we would like to enter the second space. So we can either use a password or use a shortcut. So I will keep the password applied. So let's tap on continue, tap on set now. And now we have to confirm our first space password. So the lock screen or the password which you're currently using. And now we have to set the second space password, and it should be different than the previous one. So let me do something like that. Okay, now we have to draw it to confirm and tap on confirm. We can set the second space fingerprint to switch faster, but so for example, if you are using your index finger for the first one, for the second you can use middle finger or your thumb or whatever, but I will skip it. And as you can see, right now we are in the second space. So basically this is the same device, however with no data here. We do not have the wallpaper, we've got different settings, etc. We do not have our previous customization. So here you can normally enter, for example, the settings and change, I don't know what you'd like to change. For example, the sleep option, lock screen, etc. So if you wish to get back to the first one, simply lock the screen, and then during the unlock, simply enter the first space screen lock. So in my case, this option. And as you can see, I've got my wallpaper applied, etc. If you wish to enter your second space, again, lock your screen and simply enter the second space lock screen, and you will enter the second space. So this is how it works. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.